Now, I've already made the slaw topper for my barbecue chicken burgers. That's right here. And this slaw salad is mayonnaise-free, so it's a summer fun menu. You don't have to worry about it hanging out in the heat along with you and your friends or your family. This is made with a little bit of lemon juice and honey, so it's nice and sweet. It's also got tangy sweet pickle relish in it, a couple of handfuls of shredded cabbage, and half of a small, thinly sliced red onion. I've already sweat out the other half of that onion that's finely chopped in the pan with some garlic and some tomato paste. I turned it off so it could cool down a little bit. Now I'm gonna add a couple teaspoons of sugar and mix that in. This is gonna be for the barbecue chicken burgers. Let's pull together our super thick, concentrated barbecue sauce. That's the word I was looking for. It's like we're making a barbecue sauce concentrate. If we just used a big pile of store-bought barbecue sauce, the burgers would be kind of wet, especially with ground chicken. This is gonna be nice and tight and concentrated. Now I'm gonna add a little hot sauce to that. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce as well. I'm gonna get the chicken in, and then we'll season it up and mix it up. Gotta remember to take my rings off, too. My husband would kill me if I got a bunch of chicken in my wedding ring. Okay, 1 palm full of grilled seasoning. Into the bowl it goes. And now the fun part. We're just gonna mix it all up and play with our food. I love this part. It's another fun thing about making burgers. They're messy. It's just good fun. There we go. Oh, yeah, they're gonna be good. Last one here. See how I'm just kind of sliding them around and getting some of that good olive oil all over each one as I get it in the pan? Okay, we're good to go. Excellent. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, these are getting some great color and flavor from our own homemade concentrated barbecue sauce. Tomato paste, onions, garlic, Worcestershire sauce, hot sauce, and grill seasoning. Delish. We already have a slaw salad already done to go up on top of that as well. Okay, now I got the buns ready to go here. I'm gonna put the bottoms on the tray. Now, my chicken burgers are bubbling away here, frying up in the pan. Look how good they look. I made a barbecue sauce concentrate, added tomato paste, red onion, garlic, Worcestershire sauce, and hot sauce. Mix that all together in the burgers with grill seasoning. Now I'm topping it with my slaw. Nice and sweet, because it's got honey, lemon juice, and sweet pickle relish mixed in with cabbage and red onions. Put that down over the top. Oh yeah, that is one mean set of burgers, huh? Let's set our bun tops in place. Get these over here next to my dinner plate. I'm so glad I was born with a big mouth. We're all out of time for today. Thanks for watching. I'm Rachael Ray. Remember, a great burger, it's never more than 30 minutes away.